Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. So in our today video we will be providing you the information about the exploring dataset metadata between the project with the data catalog. So if you are new to our channel, just subscribe to our channel for getting this amazing lab solution. Just click on the start lab button. Now you have to copy the username for the owner profile, and now open the motor console in an incognito window. Now paste the username, go back to the click button. Now click on the next button. Go back to the lab instruction, copy the passport. Now paste it, then click on the next button. Now click on I understand. Tick the checkbox and click continue. Now go back to the lab instructions, scroll it down and go to the cloud console, or go back to the lab instruction, copy this NYC motor vehicle collision project ID and go to the project ID at the top, go to the all, then paste the project ID. Now select the project ID. Now go back to the lab instructions, scroll it down and copy this data catalog. Go to the cloud console, paste it, then click on the search. Now we have to enable the Google Cloud Data Catalog API. Click on it. Now if you have disabled API, just instead of manage, you will get an enable API option. Just click on it. For me it is already enabled, so I will leave this. Now go back. Now go to the navigation menu. Click on the BigQuery. Now click on done button. Now expand the project ID and at the bottom expand the New York my MV collision. Click on NYPD MV collision. Now go back to the lab instructions, scroll it down, and which BigQuery user interface tab will show you the dataset. So click on schema, then click on submit. Now using the detail tab, how many record are in 1.6 on 1.6 on 1.6 plus million, then click on submit. So in this type you will be getting all the lab solution. Now for the head of question, using the schema tab, which field could use sensitive and need to be handled with care. So click on all of these, then click on submit. Now what could be the solution for addressing the privacy and sensitivity of the of concern? For that, correct answer is all of this, then click on submit. Now copy this query from here, go to the cloud console, Now click on query and click on new tab. Now replace this code with our copied code and then click on the run button. Now this type of result you will get. Go back to the lab instruction. Now what was the common factor was driver inattention and distraction. Click on submit. Now click on check my progress. You will get a green tick here. Now we will be doing our task 2. For that we have to go to the cloud console. Now in the task 2 we have to confirm the owner rule can view the query bike shared. For that, go to the select project, click on the all button. Now go back to the lab instruction. Copy this NYC bike share project ID and paste it in the search for the project and folder. Now select it out. Now click on leave button. Now expand the project ID. Now expand New York City bike. Now click on the city bike trips. Now go back to the lab instructions. Now how many records are in the table? City bike trip table. Choose the best option for it. Over 58 million. Click on submit. Now copy this query and go to the cloud console and click on the query and select the in new tab. Now replace this code with our copied code. Now click on the run button. Now this type of result you will get. Now go back to the lab instruction. Now the most popular route for the male is the same as the most popular route for the female. So click on false and then click on submit. Now looking at the city bike trip table schema, which field will you want to tag as the sensitive? Click on all of this and click on submit. Click on check my progress. You will get a green tick here. Those who get the green tick, just like this video and now scroll it down and come to the task 6. No need to do the remaining tasks. We will directly do our task 6. For that, log into the owner rule. We have already logged in. Now copy this data catalog. Go to the user paste it. Now select metadata management service for the data catalog. Select it out. Now click on leave button. Now from here you will get this type of interface. Now we have to create the templates. Select the BigQuery. Now in the sidebar of the Dataplex, click on the tag templates. Now click on the create tag template. Now this type of intercept you will get to know. Now go back to the lab instructions. and copy this New York data sets and go to the cloud console, paste it in the template display name. Now for the region, go back to the lab instruction. My region is US East 4. So if your region might differ, you have to select according to your region. Now I will select US East 4. And for the visibility, you have to select the public. Now click on the add a field. Now for the field data, go back to the lab instructions, scroll it down, copy this contain a PII, go to the field and paste it in the field display name. Now make this field required, and for the type select boolean. Now click on the done button. Now click on add a field again. Now go back to the lab instruction, copy this PII type and go to the cloud console, paste it in the field display name. Now for the type, click on the drop down arrow, select enumerated. For the value, go back to the lab instruction. These 4 values we have to copy paste. So copy none and go to the cloud console, paste it in the value 1. Click on add a value. Now copy this birth date and paste it in the value 2. Then click on add a value. Now go back to the lab instruction, copy this gender and go to the paste it in the value 3. Then click on add a value. Now copy this geolocations and paste it in the value 4. Then click on the done button. Now we have to add another field. For that, click on the add and field. Now go back to the lab instruction, copy this data owner team and paste it in the field display name. Now click on the make this field required. Now for the type, select enumerated. Now for the value, go back to the lab instruction, copy this 4 values and paste it in the value placeholder. Now click on add value and copy this data science, paste it. Now click on add value, go back to the lab instruction, copy this sales, go to the cloud console, paste it, then click on add value. Now copy this engineering from here and paste it in the value 4. Then click on the done button. Now click on the create button at the bottom. Now at the bottom you get two options. Select the second one, that is the search for entries not using this template. Now scroll it down and you have to select New York MV collision. Click on it. Now you will be able to see that there is no tag attached to this dataset as asset. So click on attach tag. Now for the choose the tag template, tick the checkbox and click on OK. Now for the value contain PII, click on true. Now for PII type, click on geolocation. Now for data owner team, select engineering. Now click on the save button. Now you will be able to see the tag in this folder. Now go back to the asset user interface by the back arrow. Now select NYPD, my MV collision. Now you will again not able to see the tag, so for that click on the attach tag at the top. For the entry, click on the drop down arrow and select the table NYPD MV collision and click on OK button. Now for the tag template, select the New York dataset and click on OK button. And for the value, click on the drop down arrow, click on true. Now for PII type, you have to select the geolocation. Now again for the data owner type, select engineering. This type of entry you should enter. Now click on the save button. Now go back to the lab instruction. Click on check my progress. Now you get a green tick here. So those who have completed this lab with me, just comment completed to the checkbox. And if you have any additional doubt related to this lab, just let us know in the comment box. And like the video and share the video to those who say ever participating in the arcade program. And subscribe to our channel. We will be getting 1K subscriber on YouTube in just 2 months. So please provide support and love to our channel by subscribing in it. Now I will be ending this lab. Click on end lab button. Click on cancel. This is all about this lab solution. I will catch you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.